CBC meteorologist John Sauter was just saying there's a beautiful full moon behind us.
Yeah, and doesn't it look absolutely clear in this nice crisp air?
It is crisp, isn't it?
Yeah, crisp is one way to describe it. We have wind chill warnings again tonight. We're heading down to -36 or -37 across southern Manitoba. Very cold temperatures, but not quite in the record range. I checked records for tonight and they're down around the -42, -44 range. So not a record for Winnipeg anyway. Let's get to the warnings and I'll show you exactly what's going on all across southern Manitoba. And there's a look outside first of all, because you know, it's still kind of light out. Isn't that nice to see? The warnings are extensive once again all across southern Manitoba in these towns. Winkler, up around Glenborough. Of course, Winnipeg is in this warning area. So is Steinbach, Gimli and Arborg, Fisher Branch, Ashern, all in the warning area. This is where wind chills will be better than -40 overnight tonight. And Matheson Island and as far north as up into the Beset areas. So it is going to be with us at least through the evening hours. Right now we're at -29. That is the up-to-date temperature as of about 3 minutes ago. I've got this graphic set to an automatic update, so it'll always continually update with the latest temperature. We've just gone down to -29. North winds at 20, so that's what's creating the high wind chill values. At -29, it just doesn't take very much wind at all to push us over the limit. And we're looking at -33 by midnight under clear skies, northwest winds at 15 kilometers an hour. The Western Canada look, and I want to show you what's going on because right here we see all of this cloud cover, a little bit of snow. This is right where the jet stream is. What it's doing is causing some upper level instability and rising air. So we've got cloud cover, a little bit of snow. The high pressure is over in our region, and that is keeping skies nice and clear and letting our temperatures drop tonight. Here's what the jet stream is also doing. It's running along this area, separating the very cold air from the warm air. Look at Winnipeg at -28 to -29. It's +3 in Calgary and 7 in Vancouver and Victoria. So you can see there's about a 30-degree difference, 30 degrees plus difference across the western part of the country. That warmer air is moving our way. It's just going to take a little while to get here. On Futurecast, by tomorrow afternoon, we're still in the sunny situation. By Thursday morning, we see a little pulse of flurries moving through. It won't amount to much. And as we get into later on Thursday, the milder air starts to push in. It'll be Friday and then Saturday before it really gets to us. -36 tonight under the clear skies. Very cold temperatures. You really have to cover the skin with the wind chill values, what they'll be. -35 for drive-in time. We'll have a nice sunny sky as well. It'll still be breezy though, and then in the afternoon the winds shift around to the south and pick up to 30 kilometers an hour. Afternoon temperatures of -24. Into the evening we'll start to warm up further and be at around -23, and then -15 Thursday, -11 for Friday. Saturday -4 degrees, and it looks like Sunday may be even warmer. I'll have your full Manitoba forecast. Janet?
Thanks. CBC meteorologist John Sauter joins us again. We were talking about the full moon a moment ago.
Something special happening tomorrow night, a full lunar eclipse. And tomorrow on CBC News at 6, we're going to have times when it's going to happen. You'll be able to view it. I think skies will be clear to view it, so it'll be kind of a neat sight.
Yes, it will be.
Yeah, all right. Let's get to some temperatures because they're a dropping. -29 now in Winnipeg and surrounding regions, pretty much the same. Have yet to drop though in Kenora. Still at -24 degrees in Kenora, -28 in Gimli, also up in Dauphin, -27 as you saw in Brandon. And in central Manitoba, much the same, anywhere between -25 and -29. Currently, in the north, we're seeing slightly warmer air, and that's the tale of tomorrow as well. Lows tonight won't be quite as low in the north, and we'll see temperatures a little better in the north for tomorrow. Under virtually clear skies tonight, we're dropping into scary temperature range, -35 to -37 degrees all across southern Manitoba. Gimli will post a -37 tonight. On the western edge of the province and up farther north, it gets a little bit warmer. Still no picnic, -30 in Flin Flon and Lynn Lake and -33 in Island Lake. But look at this, mid-minus teens across the north tomorrow, and then into northwestern Ontario, we're looking at temperatures around -18 for daytime highs. But as we get back into central Manitoba, we're looking at highs not quite as nice, at least down in Gimli. And in the south, we're looking at temperatures taking their time to get to about minus 23 in Winnipeg. We'll have an afternoon temperature of minus 24, same with Steinbach, but the best we'll do late afternoon into the evening, minus 21 to minus 23 degrees all across southern Manitoba. Normal has bumped up to minus 7. When was the last time we saw temperatures for an extended period of time anywhere near minus 7? I know Saturday was mild, but it'll be Saturday this week before we get back above normal. The record was 5 degrees back in 1982. The record low minus 42.8 back in 1966. And the sun set at 5:52. Your 5-day forecast and extended forecast still to come. That's a nice scene. It reminds me of Festival de Voyageurs, which is going on for the rest of this week. Right now in Winnipeg, minus 29. The wind chill right now is at minus 42. We could see values down around minus 48 across the south tonight. A temperature, though, a low temperature of minus 36, minus 15 by Thursday, perhaps a morning flurry. And then the good news, Saturday minus 4, Sunday minus 3, and I think... Yes, I do think we are out of the woods after that.
Oh,
Did I say
really?
that? Did I say that last week?
No, you didn't. No, I don't think so. What scares